you.
Yeah.
You want to help me make a video?
Okay.
Come on.
Realizing motherhood, there's usually like one of your kids are just like right there and ready to help you. This one is my youngest one, Leo. He's ready to help me with whatever I got. I just asked him if he would help me now, and I was sure enough I thought he was going to say yes, but apparently he's writing a letter to Santa, so maybe we'll catch him up in the end. So we've been in this house now for about a year, and I finally got back on track. I think I have everything down pat. Like, I think life is going pretty well right now. Remote learning, changing out my job, doing all this other stuff, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you check out my Instagram, you'll see that I posted a video showing the 1,000 tulips that I got from Colorblends. Yes, 1,000. In my mind, I thought having a sea of red, white, and black tulips against my black and white house was gonna be gorgeous, and I was like, I could get this done, and this is like nothing. And then reality slapped me in the face when I opened up the crate and there was 1,000 tulips. And I'm not ready. Let me show you my haul of tulips, and I'll tell you a little hint from my contractor, which I thought was really smart. I looked it up, had to check the receipt on that, and sure enough, it actually is something that other gardeners use. So maybe you might find it useful also. All right, come on, take a look with me. I got these 2 shipments from Colorblends, and these are my tulips. So then I'll empty them into the containers, and then we'll bring each of the containers out, and then we'll figure out exactly how many we're gonna put in each of the different sections of my garden, okay? So in my head, this sounds like a good plan. You think it sounds like a good plan?
Yeah.
Okay. Red pepper flakes and garlic powder. Mix them together, and then when I plant my tulips, sprinkle this like right before I put the top layer of soil in it. So first, we're gonna lay out all of the tulips, right?
Yeah.
Then we're going to dig the holes of the tulips.
Yeah.
Then a little bit of bulb tone.
Bulb.
Put the bulb in the hole, cover it up with a little bit of dirt, the garlic and the red pepper flakes on top, and then cover it over.
Yeah.
In my mind, this will work well. Will it work well in reality? Nobody knows. That's what 500 tulip bulbs look like, laid all around. How long do you think this is gonna take me?
2 hours? Hopefully not 5 hours.
This is what craziness looks like. When you think you can do 500 bulbs in one sitting. Actually, I thought I could do 1,000. Oh well. Okay, so clearly you're realizing that this is a 2-day project more than a 1-day project. I was way in over my head. I would like to give myself a congratulations. I played myself for thinking that I'd be able to plant 1,000 bulbs in 1 day, starting at 2 p.m. while it's daylight savings time. By the time 4:30 hit, I was panicking. I threw down that spike, asked Leo to go and call in for reinforcement because I was freaking out. I was using every single tool that I have. So this one, which is much more of a backbreaker, I started using this. Then I was like, oh no, let me call for the big guns. And then I got my auger. So I used this, and then the drill died on me. I was initially only planning on putting 300 in that front yard, and I kind of lost my mind and went crazy. And I did 500 instead. A little bit more than I expected, but at least it'll be really pretty next year. You live and you learn. You know, what are you gonna do? Whatever. realized something. No matter how much you love a tool, after you've used that tool about 50 or 60 times to dig a hole, you hate the tool. I hate that little thing, that little spiky thing. I hate that long pole. I hate that little round tulip. I hate them all. I'm going back to the auger until I build a hate for that also, and then I'll be back to the spiky tool again. If I ever say that I want to plant 1,000 bulbs, please come and stop me. Please put me in shackles, handcuffs, something like that, because I never want to do this again. 50 at a time, perfect. 100 even, maybe. 1,000, that's banana ham sandwich. What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Was it? Oh my God, my hands are so ashy. What? Oh, let me just get this over with. Now, we sit and wait. Right there. This is gonna take a little while. You might wanna go get a snack or something.